Turn on the machine. Select the corresponding test force. Remove the hardness block, wipe off the surface oil, and place it on the test table. Observe through the eyepiece and adjust the focus by rotating the hand wheel. Loading after clicking Start. After a beep, loading is completed, and the objective lens will automatically switch. Observe the indentation and adjust the hub wheels on both sides of the eyepiece. After bringing the two lines as close as possible to each other without overlapping, press the 0 button. Move the engraving line until it is tangent to both ends of the indentation. Press the button on the eyepiece to confirm. Rotate 90 to measure the vertical diameter. After aligning the scribing lines with the top and bottom ends, press the button on the eyepiece to confirm. After the measurement is completed, the screen displays the hardness value. Click the upper left corner of the screen to set the load holding time. Click 10x or 40x to manually switch the objective lens and indenter. Click the light to adjust its brightness. Click the folder icon to view historical data. Depending on the situation, the data can be deleted or printed within the tool. A total of 6 folders can be created in the folder settings. Clicking the bottom left corner allows you to access settings for date and time, upper and lower thresholds, languages, rulers, etc.